I Transpower began in 2006 with a small manufacturing setup of power transmission couplings in Delhi. Over the years, we steadily expanded our base and we moved to a bigger and state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Kundali, Haryana in 2013. Better quality has always been a trend at I Transpower. To meet customers' special demands and to meet international standards, we added high-quality CNCs, VMCs and HMCs in our manufacturing machineries at our new manufacturing facility, ensuring accurate and précised machining of our products, also ensuring timely and defect-free product. With 100 skilled and semi-skilled workforces, our dedicated team is round the clock working under stringent quality control to meet today's market demands. We take pride in our adaptability and diverse range of products. KI stands tall among the leading manufacturers of flexible couplings in India and are probably the largest manufacturer of flexible couplings in North India. Sky is the limit. To prove this, we, in year of 2020, introduced a new product, Cardan Shaft, under the brand name of Cardan Velour. Starting from a small and medium size, today we are among the fastest growing manufacturer of Cardan Shafts in India and has in-house capacity to manufacture extra heavy-duty Cardan Shafts of rating up to 25 lakh Newton-meter torque with flange diameter of 780 mm and length up to 5 meters. Our very strong presence can be found in almost all types of steel, paper and rubber processing mills. At I Transpower, we pay meticulous attention to every order, whether standard or custom made. Our advanced design tools and accurate CNC machines ensure precision, consistency and the capacity for mass production. The team at the company consists of experienced professionals working together under the guidance of department heads for proper coordination of application study, design and manufacturing. We have gone global now and have expanded our wings to the international market by participating in international industrial trade fairs, direct customer visits and application study. I Transpower is always ready to provide a technical presentation to customers' technical team by visiting their premises. Our strength is our patrons. We have built a strong bond and trust as well with our most delightful customers and OEMs. Our valued customers: SAIL, NMDC, Jindal Steel and Power, Tata Steel, JSW, Aarti Steels Limited, Vedanta, ARS Steels, Madhav KRG Group, MSP, Sarvottam Steel and Shyam Metallics. So, it's going to be a wise decision to join hands with a trusted and combination of quality and reliability manufacturing partners like I Transpower for your requirement of flexible couplings and Cardan shafts.